from footing. So, on the first thing, we are going to be doing sand filling. Sand filling for 100 mm, then comes the PCC for 100 mm, followed by this D1, the distribution bar of the footing. Then comes the total height of the footing we have is 1,500, followed by this brick wall 100 mm, and then the ground beam height 300, and then till this much we have a plinth level is 900 mm. So we are going to be calculating for the column. In column, what we do is that from we really take the left land. Okay, from left land we are going to be calculating from cut it from L by 4 here, and then L by 2 and L by 4. So from here, from L by 4, we're going to be taking the left land, which we say 50D, and then 50D. So followed by the slab, and then goes first floor, and then this is the plinth parapet wall. So we are going to be calculating this one. Okay. First, I'll calculate for this one, from here till here to here, I'll call it as A dash. And then from here to here, I'll be calling as A. From here, from the left land, followed till L4, this will be B dash. And from left land till left land, L by 4, this one is B, and then this one will be C over, and then this one is C dash and C. Yeah. So I'll calculate for A. Total plinth level, or the total ground footing, that is 1,500 minus these two. It is sand filling followed by PCC, and then the distribution bar. And then here, down here, we have a cover of 50 mm minus 50 mm plus. From here, I am going to calculate A. So A, we have 300, that is standard value. 300 value, this one. Plus, from here till here, it is 1,500, no? So we've already deducted everything, so yeah. And then from here, from brick wall, this is the brick wall. From brick wall, followed by ground beam, it is 100 and 300, which will be 400. And then from here to here, it's plinth level. From here to here, it's plinth level. So yeah, from plinth level, we say from ground beam to the slab beam, the total length will be 3,450. 2,450. So what we are going to be doing is we are deducting the slab beam. Yes. So after deducting the slab beam, now from here to here, from the ground beam till the L by 4, slab ka niche, we are getting 3,150. Okay, the length. So 3,100. Yeah. So from 3,150, we are going to find our L by 4, L by 2, and L by 4. So 3,150 ka L by 4 is 787.5, and then L by 2 is 1,575. So so here, from here to here is 300. We have come till here, till slab beam. 400 हो गया, And then यहाँ से जाने वाला है, so L by 4. L by 4 आएगा first, that is 700 plus L by 4 plus इतना आ रहा है till L by 4, ऊपर L by 4 तक आ रहा है, so we are going to be taking L by 2. यहाँ से यहाँ distance है L by 2, so 1575. Now we have one band here. So by minusing the band, we have 1 into 2 into. We are taking for this is 16 mm diameter. 16 mm bar, okay? Yeah, 16 mm bar, guys. So it will be 16. So the value is 4.2645 meter में convert कर दिया. And then for A dash, I'll do the same thing. From here till here, L by 4, everything is same. But yeah, from here till here, everything is same. So here, L by 4, 787.5. Now what? This is A dash. So the value will be 3.288 meter. Now it's B. We'll calculate for B. From here, adding the left length till here, L by 4 का distance में. यहाँ पे L by 4 का distance में. From here, we're going to calculate till L by 4 का distance. So now, first thing, we're going to add the left length, that is 50D. D is, what we took here is 16 mm bar, okay? Yeah. So यहाँ से we have slab beam. First we are going to add this L by 4 from here till here is L by 4, 787. Plus the slab beam we have is 350. Plus now till this much. From here till L by 4. So till this much what we have is we are adding L by 4 plus L by 2. See, L by 4 इतना होगा and L by 2 इतना होगा. So we are adding from here to here. So L by 4 and L by 2 will be added here. Yeah. यहाँ पे there is no bending, so we're not going to be adding bending value. For B dash. From B dash, we are going to be starting from here, where we are going to be adding the left length plus L by 2 plus L by 4 plus slab beam, and then comes L by 4 here. From here to here, we're going to calculate it. So 50 into, now here, I am calculating for B dash. For the dash value, I am taking 12 millimeter bar, yeah. And then 12 mm bar. And for A, I am taking 16 mm bar, okay? So you have this 12 aga plus B, right? Yeah. Plus the slab beam, that is 350, plus finally here, till here, L by 4, we have 662.5. Now we have the value that is 3.725 and yeah. Now from B dash, yeah, B to C. Now till the parapet wall, we're going to calculate from here. So for C, we have L by 4 plus the lap beam, of course, the lap length plus L by 4 plus the slab beam, and then comes the parapet wall. When we count the parapet wall, we have 100 mm plaster here. So carefully, 1000 wall, parapet wall, and then minusing the plaster that is 100 mm. So it will be, cover. So it will be 900, okay? So B, C calculator, L by 4. L by 4, we have the value is 662.5 plus slab beam 350 plus parapet wall 900 okay, yeah, and then lap length plus 50 into 16. Yes. Now we have the value that is 2.7125 meter converted, and then comes C dash, which is 12 mm bar. Yeah. So for C dash, we are starting from here, adding the lap length from here till the parapet wall. So from here, what we have is lap length 50B plus L by 2 plus L by 4 plus the slab beam plus the parapet wall 50B into, for C dash we are taking 12 mm bar, okay? Plus left L by 2 is 1325 plus 662.5 plus the slab beam, we have 350 here, plus the parapet wall, we have 900, right? So the value is going to be, for C dash, the value will be 3.837 meter. Yeah, this is the cutting length of our A and B for our 16 mm bar and 12 mm bar. So we are going to calculate the total length and the total weight, the total quantity of the bars, the steel bar that we are going to be using for the very column. I'll just stop here. Now, 4, that will be 100.902 meter. Here we are. And then, if we are talking about, I will be calculating for 16 mm bar first, then followed by 12 mm. So here in my plan, I have column. Column, how many numbers of column? Yeah, there are 10 numbers of column. That is, I'll call it as C1. I'll call it as C1, which will be 10 numbers. 10 rows of column I have, and then the dia of, yeah. The dia of bar I have is 16 mm, right? Yeah. And then now I'll be finding the numbers of bars for a very particular, 10 column, for 10 column. For finding the numbers of bars, what do we do is, in one column I'll be putting 16 mm bar 4. So 4 into, how many columns do I have? I have 10 columns, which will be 10 here. Actually, sorry. Yeah, 10. So it will be 40. 40 will be, no? Yeah, so from 40, what I'm going to say is, numbers of bars निकालने वाला है. So for 40, it will be 40 into cutting length. I think I don't know.
इधर सही है वो सही है
Yeah, cutting length. So from 40 into how much cutting length do we have here? We have total of this much.
कैलकुलेट
Yeah.
कर दो
Calculate.
40 multiplied by 10.9. 436.08.
Okay. 436.08. That is that much meter that we are having now.
अब वेट करिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय यूनिट वेट
Yeah, so yeah. This is the total length of walk. So now we have to calculate for unit weight. Unit weight,
Or 16 mm.
which you call total quantity of 16 mm bar. We say numbers either numbers of bar into cutting length into unit weight. And for 16 mm bar, the unit weight will be, first is numbers. How many numbers of bar do we have here? 14 numbers of bars. Into cutting length is this much, 10.902 into unit weight of 16 bar is 1.58. So now the total value of this will be yeah, 689.00, or should I just say 689 kg per meter. Yeah, this is for 16 mm bar. And now, how you got it? Now I am going to be be calculating for 12 mm bar. Yeah.
पर केजी हटा दो, पर मीटर हटा दो। ईशा, पर मीटर हटा दो, ओनली केजी में आएगा।
Total length of 12 mm bar I've calculated from before, which will be 10.651 meter again, no? And then most of column. The same thing, because we're going to be making the same column using the two bars, which is 16 mm and 12 mm. So we have 10 columns, C1, I am calling it as C1, that is 10 columns, and the diameter of the bar is 12. Yeah. Now the number of the bars, they are the same thing, same. You happy? I'll calculate this. Forty into this much is 40 into 10.651 is 426.04 meter. Okay. So now the total quantity for 12 mm bar. The unit weight of 12 mm bar is not this one, but it is actually 0.88. Yeah. So I'll calculate this again, and here the value will be different, which is 651. 10.651, right? So 40 into this one, 10.651 into unit weight, 0.88. That is 374.9 kgs. We have this much 12 mm bar quantity. Yeah, that is all for today. Thank you.